Apps. Yeah. Unfortunately, it wasn't tight when it broke out. I hate breakouts that are not tight. They can sometimes work, but I prefer tight breakouts. Unless unless it's something like W that's taking out a long range, then you have to look at the overall pattern. Unfortunately, I did pass on it, but it is what it is. AVXL looks good. Yeah, it does look good. Yeah, good setup. Reminds me about Sava a little bit. I do kinda think it's a nice setup. Yeah, this is why, you gotta be careful in a market like this. Can't just, buy hand over fist. Because we're still in a base building period. Once we start seeing a lot of good looking setup, that's when we get the green light. Right now there are some that are looking okay, but most things still need a few days at least. A few days of tight action. I did buy APHA and Tilray so far. And I bought some GMBL though too. I'm gonna have a wide stop on this thing. I have a very small position. This Citron Pump. It's one of these gambling stocks, just like DraftKings and Penn. And apparently gambling is a big thing, so that's the hottest sector right now. Esports, okay. Oh, okay. I thought he was gambling. Because it's in the gambling thing. TC2000. Esports Entertainment. No idea what they do. SC, what a piece of shit. SC is a great one. It just didn't have that good of a setup. This is what it does. It pulls back to the 50-day and then it goes. This is the type of stock you have to buy. You can't buy strength on it usually. It's better to buy weakness. Some stocks are like this, but again, it's look at the move it made. Just in 1 year, it's up 650%. It's a mega cap stock. That's a huge move for a stock like this. You can't really expect this thing to go straight up from entry. That's the problem with this. You want really, really solid setups. What I made by APHA, 5-star setup. And it's not a big position. It's a very thin stock. I don't have a big position in it. Maybe 10. It's not even. It's maybe 5% of my portfolio. But it was like a 5-star setup. I mean, it's textbook. Clean trend, orderly pullback to the 20, undercut, retest, undercut, reclaim, higher lows all the way, and now it's had 2 tight days, especially yesterday, very tight day. I mean, it's a 5.5-star setup on a 5-star scale. That would made me buy it. Why is Perry up? Why is any stock up any given day? I don't know, maybe it had earnings? Not sure. Maybe an analyst upgrade? Let's see here. No, this is old news. Yeah, I can't find the news on it. Did he pre-announce? No idea. Oh, they pre-announced. Okay. Yeah, earnings and pre-announcement. There's a big edge if you learn to trade the earnings and pre-announcements. Two of my favorite type of episodic pivots. Yeah, mean Riot so far the day 3 bounce setup. Just like which one was it? Yeah, just like Mara was last week. Like if you're a day trader, this is the most profitable day trading setup, mean reversion. If you learn these types of setups, if you have a big mover, goes down, bounces on day 3. If you learn to trade it, if you identify correct setups, you know, you kind of turn a tiny account into a huge account. Just like Mara on this day where I shorted it. Got rejected on the 10-day, slammed down, straight down. Now I was hoping it was gonna go down to the 50-day, but it didn't. So you can swing trade these, you can day trade these. The most profitable day trading setup. Riot today. Gap up into this supply area, the 10-day, declining 10-day. If you learn one setup, if you want to be a day trader, that's it. Foot to breaking opening, yeah, but it's still below yesterday's highs. Wake me up when Futu breaks yesterday's highs. And see here, SOS. Well, today was day 2, but it got rejected on the 10-day. But I'm hoping for one more day of bounce. And I'm still pissed it gapped up so much yesterday. That would have been such a... Imagine if this thing had gapped down yesterday instead of gapped up, and we've gotten this move from like low 4s to high 7s or mid 8s organically. That's like a double. But it didn't. Because sometimes the market likes to f with us. Well, actually it happens all the time. Are you not worried about T12 risk longing SOS? Yeah, there's always some risk involved in these pump stocks, but no, not really. I don't think there's gonna happen anything. Maybe there will, I don't know. TMDX, what's the question? No. I want more sideways. Personally. Another couple of days would have been ideal. Yeah, the wheat stocks are definitely a leading sector right now. They're all breaking out. APHA was the best one. Tilray and MJ are also decent setups. And SNDL. That's the hottest sector right now. Or the strongest. It's the highest sector. AMRS. Well, yeah, I would say it's too late. It broke out yesterday. Yesterday should have been the entry. Man, I hope this GME stays tight like this today. And maybe we'll have a big move. Maybe we'll have another leg higher tomorrow if it can stay like this today. Or even better if it goes sideways for a few more days. MWK is a good setup. No, it's not tight. It was a good set. It was a better setup yesterday, but yeah, it's not tight. It's not here. It was a good setup. Study this. This is a 5-star. Today, 0 star.